People tend to see football as just something that is played on the pitch, and few people realise how much of it is dependent on what happens behind the scenes. Before I became an academic, actually I worked in forensic accounting, which is financial crime or disputes. Some of the kind of biggest disputes we kind of see nowadays is in sports. Specifically, I'll be talking about football finance side. Most of the work I do is around the top 5 leagues, which are all professional in the UK. It is generally interesting. You pull out where the money's actually coming from. Generally, we tend to find there's 3 main sources. So you have matchday income, which is all the stuff that happens on match days, so tickets and food and beverage sales. Then you've got your broadcasting income. And then the third stream is all the partnerships, so all the sponsors, all the logos, all those kind of partnership deals that happen. There's a lot of people that aren't interested in football that are affected by football. So there's a lot of people that have businesses that get very busy on match days, and that's where all the money kind of comes in. It affects the local communities, it affects the global communities. So from a business perspective, it's really, really interesting. It's all very, very kind of geared into sort of loads of different types of industries, all pulled together under this one banner of football. A lot of money is lost in football as well, so the majority of clubs, professional clubs in this country make a loss. We've seen a couple of clubs be liquidated, just disappear completely, and then they start up as Phoenix clubs. The idea of this lecture series is to sort of showcase why it is, why there's codependence of this, you know, these amazing athletes you see on the pitch, and actually how important the financial side is, but also for those just interested in business, even if you don't like watching football, because it's just so different and so unique.